Wado kanyo ni jatend migao mano mabende ochung'ne migao mano mar thieth e pacho kae Eden Duale owuok oko kendo kwedo weche moko mago mabende osebed ka iwacho moloyo to ewi migao no mano mar thieth ni piny mamalo pok ochwalo omenda ne counties mopogore opogore pacho kae mar mondo mi giber godo kata gichwal godo chenro go mago mag tije e counties. Duale ne owacho ni mago gin weche go ma miriambo kama bende ne oyango kanyo ni piny owacho mamalo owinjore obi ochwal kanyo omenda bende romo bilion 6.3 ne counties. To kata kamano bende ne okawo thuolo makamano mar kwedo weche moko mawachore ni okumba mar thieth mar SHA santo koro oktima kare.
The county government SHA only owes them 6.3 billion. Yeah. I am telling you, as of today, I'm the Minister for Health, and SHA is digital, 6.3 billion. And in the next 2 days, SHA is going to pay 16 billion, both for the public officers medical scheme, for the social health insurance fund, for the emergency critical and chronic fund, and for the primary health care. That is the position. And for your information, the former NHIFs used to pay quarterly. And the highest they have ever paid, the highest they have ever paid quarterly was 5.1 billion. Last month we paid 14 billion. This month we'll pay about 16 billion. And we shall tell the country, it will be on our website tomorrow. As we sit here, they're paying. So I am telling you, and I don't want anybody to challenge me, SHA owes county government 6.3 billion. What you saw in the media is false, is inaccurate, is misleading. And you can give you the breakdown. We know how many are rejected claims, how many returns claims. So we do this digitally. There's no manual. In myself as a minister, I have a dashboard. So have I answered your question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I have another one. And I can tell you how much faith-based facilities. I can even tell you Kenyatta University Teaching and Research Hospital, how much we owe, SHA owes, and how much we are paying this month. Yeah, that is private and confidential. That is not for the public. Because SHA has a contract with Social Health Authority. In one of the clauses, it says the contract is between SHA and Kenyatta University and Teaching Referral Hospital. There's nowhere it mentions you to know the amount.